This is 47 Squam Hill Road in beautiful Rockport. It's a gorgeous day, blue skies. This is almost 2,000 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, sitting on about just over half an acre of land. Show you a brief view of the outside. Side yard here. See, there's parking for at least 4 cars here. This has a lot of perennials and grasses, which have been cut back for the fall, but let's take a look inside. This is the living room kitchen, open concept, laminate floors, very spacious. There's a big sectional here that fits in well. This house has a lot of light. It faces, looks like it's facing south, maybe southeast. The kitchen, towel backsplash, splash. Go outside and take a look. The deck, if I had to guess, is about 20 by 20, maybe 18 by 18 feet. Overlooks, you can see all the birds. The birds go crazy back here. This is all town land behind here. Most likely will never be developed. I believe it's conservation land. The property comes with everything you see here. So if you want chickens, you got chickens. If you don't want chickens, the owner will take the chickens away. There's a shed back there. Again, very secluded back here. The nice thing about this location is it's secluded, very quiet, but you're 5 minutes away from the commuter rail, about a half a mile away, and downtown Rockport, and probably 10 minutes to downtown Gloucester. So it's beautiful property. You can hear all the birds. Let's take a look back inside. A very dog-friendly property. If you have dogs, it's completely fenced in. They have 3 dogs, and they're very, very happy here. Let's take a look. This is one of the 2 full baths. This one has a tub. I love the shower curtain. It's all tile. Then we have a bedroom here, which they're using as an office. But it has a closet. Good lighting here. Makes a great office. Very bright. And here's the second bedroom on the first floor. Like I said, this is a 4-bedroom house. We're going to go up to the second floor. Straight through here. Here's the second bathroom. It is remodeled and is a big walk-in shower. I always have a thing when I watch these TV shows, they say walk-in shower, and I just use that word. What else would you do in the shower? Driving? Here's one of the bedrooms up here. Both bedrooms go front to back, so they're good size. This one they're using as a workout room and the cat's play area. closet in here. Here is the main bedroom rather. You can see the size of this. This is a king-size bed. And you can see there's plenty of room in here. View of the backyard from here. And this does have a walk-in closet. And some storage under the eaves. The other one had storage under there too. A nice sitting area. Be a great place to curl up with a book. Very sunny spot. And let's go down to the basement. All right, so this is actually a finished area which they're using for storage currently, and they put up a temporary wall right here because they're using the other side as a workshop. But it is carpeted, the ceiling, finished ceiling, and there is heating down here, which is on the other side. It's on the outside wall, which is where heating is usually located. This is the utility area. This has 8-foot plus ceilings down here. I reached up and I can't touch it, and I can touch 8 foot when I'm stretched out and I can't touch it. Washer dryer, which is included. All the appliances are included. Heating system is in good shape. They maintain it on a regular basis. And over here is the workshop. You can see the ceiling is finished. You'd have to do something about the floor. Probably do the whole thing over again if you wanted to use this all as one big rec room or whatever. But it would be a good size. You see down here is the heat. It's on a separate zone. You could keep it as a workshop, which is what I would do, but that's just me. And then there's a walkout to the backyard here. So here's your one neighbor here. There's one on the other side too, but there's nobody in back of you, and probably never will be. Back a little further are some quarries. So great privacy back here. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, they do have a rooster. You may not want that. Anyways, for more information, to see the full listing, armstrongfield.com, and talk to you later.